Landing pages can boost your conversions and help build trust with your audience. The best part? They're easy to design and to share. In fact, there's no reason you shouldn't have a new landing page for every product, service, or lead magnet that you launch. Angel Marie here, creator educator over at ConvertKit, here to walk you through how you can use landing pages to promote your very own work. Let's dive in. For busy online creators like yourself, landing pages are an incredible tool to use at your disposal. More specifically, they can help your business in two different ways. They can increase your conversion rates and therefore helping you grow your audience more quickly, and they can lower your marketing costs so that you can see the highest return for the least effort. Now, how do you use a landing page? Landing pages can be used for multiple different purposes. You can use a landing page to share multiple offers across multiple different audiences. You can use it to generate new leads for your business, to validate a product idea, or even to thank your new subscribers. Let's go ahead and walk through a quick demo on how you can create your very own landing page in less than 10 minutes. The first thing you're going to do is head to the Landing Pages and Forms tab. Then you'll click Create New. From here, you'll decide if you want to create a form or a landing page to start or grow your email list. You can create both, but for now, let's demo the landing page creation process. Next, choose your landing page template. There are plenty of beautiful templates for you to choose from, so go ahead and choose the one or the design that you prefer. From there, you'll start customizing your landing page. Go ahead and give it a title, a headline, a subtitle, a high-quality image that you can upload from the options it provides you with, a very strong call to action, and you can even utilize the convenient plus button that appears on the left to add more creative components to your landing page. When you're done finalizing the details of your landing page, you're now going to want to customize the incentive email. The incentive email is the automated confirmation email that your subscribers will automatically receive when they opt in. In this example, we're offering a travel blogging guide. To reflect that messaging in your incentive email, just head to Settings, Incentive, upload your downloadable lead magnet or paste the URL link to your lead magnet, and then you're going to head to where you can edit the incentive email content by clicking right here. You can customize this email to your liking by adding a personalized subject line, body, and even editing the button that subscribers will click on to get your lead magnet. When you're done creating your landing page and your incentive email, all you're going to do next is click Save, head to Share, and copy and paste this link wherever you can to get people on your email list. Places like your Instagram bio, your Twitter feed, or even Pinterest are all incredible places to share your landing page so you can grow your audience. And there you go. A beautiful, well thought out landing page that you can create in under 10 minutes to promote your work. If you'd like to give it a try, you can sign up for ConvertKit for free down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.